The addition of bromine to an alkene is a redox reaction. This assessment asks us in which step does that redox occur. And so essentially what we're doing is we need to use our oxidation numbers to determine where the oxidation and reduction happen, knowing that both of those will happen in the same step. And so when we calculate oxidation numbers, we calculate an oxidation number for the two carbons as being -1. We calculate the two oxidation numbers for the bromines because it's a bond between two like atoms. Both of those have 0 oxidation number in the reactants. When we get to the product side, both bromines have a -1 oxidation number. Br minus kind of makes sense because the charge matches the oxidation number. Br plus is a little bit tricky, but using the oxidation number rules, we see that despite bromine having a +1 charge, it does calculate to have a -1 oxidation number. Both carbons are 0. So in this first step, the total of the two carbons goes from -2 to neutral. That's an increase in charge or an oxidation. The charge or the oxidation number on the bromines goes from 0 to -2. Going from 0 down to -2 is a reduction, and it's by the equal amount that the carbons changed. And so electrons have transferred. This first step is in fact a redox. Now let's confirm why the second step is not, because now the two bromines both have -1 oxidation numbers. In the product, they still have -1 oxidation numbers. Both carbons have oxidation numbers of 0. They still have oxidation numbers of 0. So the second step is not a redox reaction.